folks, one thing we have not talked about tonight, each driver does have 2 measured attempts. If you'll see that cone out there about the 100-foot starting line on each driver. Alcohol power a lot of horsepower and a lot of wheel speed out of that tractor right there, having a little bit of trouble getting it hooked up. Next up on our light superstock division, tractor comes to us out of Florence, Alabama, diesel-powered Allis Chalmers, Mr. Jerry McDaniel, and the Rawhide Express. Allis Chalmers diesel-powered light superstock tractor. 3, 2, 1, point time over. You're going to be putting a floating finish line on tractor. Number 1 with the Pro Stock trucks. Floating finish line here. All right, moving back over the track. Watch it pull. Definitely not the kind of run we're used to seeing out of Larry Phillips. Extremely insane machine. Having a little bit of difficulty with that alcohol fire. Track number 2, Kenneth Hale on another night trouble comes to us out of Tullahoma, Tennessee. Obviously a diesel-powered machine.